hope Wilson's wrong. It never happened.
Perfect. There we go. Hello folks, welcome back to Wilson's Diesel Service. We are on our way up to Zion Lodge up in Zion National Park today. What I mean by we is I have Noah and Jonathan with us today. And we're going to go up there and look at a tram that they use for tours that is having some running issues. Probably something like a vacuum leak, but it keeps dying on them. And I'm going to switch over to propane.
I sell propane and propane accessories.
So, we're going to go see what we can find with that. Passing through the town of Virgin at the moment, on our way to work on the tram. Fun fact, Red Bull Rampage happens on this mesa.
Have you ever been to Grafton? You've never been to Grafton Ghost Town?
Oh, no, the one over here.
Yeah.
No.
What?
Wait.
I've never been to Zion, so why would I be over
You've
here?
never been to Zion and you live in Utah? How long have you lived in Utah?
I don't know, 4 years.
Four? Dude. This is the guy we were just talking about. This is the person right here. Grafton Ghost Town. Woo, cool bridge.
Yep.
Never been hiking.
You need to, okay, well, you don't like to have fun. We've established that in the last video. We did have one guy say that he thought you were having a great time.
It's up for debate. Yeah.
That's up
It's
for
all right.
debate. Did you have fun going down the slide though?
Oh, yes. It's thrilling, you know?
Thrilling. Now can you say that with like a serious, it was
Like you mean it.
thrilling.
That's how I meant it. It's a great time.
Quote my basic white girl. It just can't even with you, Noah.
I just can't even.
Sorry. It's a letdown.
You said you're a pumpkin spice guy?
I am a basic white girl, through and through.
Yeah, is pumpkin spice back on the menu?
I mean, from the Ugg boots to the PSLs, pumpkin spice is where it's at.
Like it. How about you, Noah?
Oh, yeah.
You're a white girl too?
Oh, yeah. Pumpkin spice and football. That's all you need in fall right there.
He's basically a cheerleader.
A few moments later.
I would love to look at the apples, but I can't see through all the scuzz on the window.
The Gooses. Canadian Air Force.
Welcome to Springdale.
What's Springdale famous for?
Springdale is famous for being the town before the National Park of Zion.
One eternity later.
Well, we need to plug a scan tool into this and read codes and see what it's given us so far. First off, I'm going to run into the management here and talk with the boss man and get some orders from him. No important codes?
ABS, FL, fuel sensor, power sensor, and then passenger seat.
Be front left or front right. Oh, you know what? This whole thing is probably just a passenger seat.
This one was invented by a writer.
500 miles since last time we were here. Literally just from here to the Narrows and back. High idle usually means, especially after it's been warmed up, high idle usually means a vacuum leak somewhere in the system, causing the RPMs to go over 1,000. But because of that, the switch from gas to propane won't turn on, so they can't run propane, which they want to up in the park. So they've been okay to get by for a minute, but now I guess the supervisor said that it's dying on them, stalling, so we'll figure out what that's all about.
The worst kind of vehicle to work on, I feel like, is a van.
Actually, it sucks to work on from this end, but you take the doghouse out inside the cab, and it actually opens up pretty nice.
Nice.
It's not too bad. Getting the doghouse out could be a nightmare, though.
Years later.
Finally!
How's it look?
Compact and hot.
Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot. Try that?
Then I don't need a jacket.
Right now I'm looking for any sign of a leak in the intake system, and then we're going to look for a leak in the vacuum system. A lot of the times these little plastic vacuum lines get brittle and they'll snap, and that little bit can cause enough of an air leak difference to shut a vehicle down or make it run different. Always count on Noah for moral support. I really hope you cut in a clip of the new cheerleader dudes.
How far can you stick your butt out?
Oh, hey, dear.
Oh, dear.
Smoke if you got 'em.
Remember, as of 1957, more doctors choose Camel. And now we wait.
Zach, you spelled Wilson wrong.
That's how Mike Tyson says it.
Perfect.
There we go.
It's an urban legend that never happened.
Also, because I know the family will watch this, today is Henry's birthday. So, happy birthday, Henry.
Happy birthday, Henry.
Hey kid, I hear it's your birthday. Happy birthday! Hey!
Recap of what we discovered on the tram at the lodge. We didn't find a smoking gun necessarily as to what's going on.
What?
No codes or anything in the PCM. It's very possible that the propane valve is leaky.
Propane and propane accessories.
And the other possibility is that it could need a tune-up in the form of just spark plugs, because it does not have a miss. Hello! The coils are fine, but I don't know the last time that it had spark plugs done on it. So those are the starting points. We're going to go with it, try to change spark plugs on it.